How's it? Welcome to Crypto Corner. What do you do when your helium antenna hooked up to a RAK miner is out mining the helium antenna hooked up to your Bobcat miner? You install another RAK miner. Come on, let's go. Oh, what the hell is that?
Well, this is, we just came in, I just unpacked it. This is a low loss ADBI mining antenna for the RAK miner. It's ADBI right here, 915M HZ, which means the United States, right? Our broadband.
That's megahertz.
And it's connected to a low loss coaxial cable and coaxial cable. Take a look at this, how thick it is.
That's pretty big. So
this is a low loss.
So lose any information.
Yep. And this is a 25-foot cable. You can actually do you can get a 50-foot cable, low loss 50-foot cable. But this one is a 25-foot cable. So stand by for results.
I'm here, friends, to teach you today how to set up a Wi-Fi, how to make a better signal for all the friends living here to enjoy it. My name is Michael, and I will be conducting today's setup. Hope you're all doing good.
Okay, this is one, not open.
Okay, friends. So now we're gonna see. Right now I'm unboxing this beautiful specimen. Voila. Okay, here's the power cable, and
That's the one. We have to make sure our outlet works.
yep. Troubleshoot first, and here is our. We do not need the antenna. Leave it there. Okay, here it
Comes
is.
with an antenna, but it stays. It's a giant.
Okay, so now we need to see if this works. Get that good. Need to be powered up. There we go.
So if this outlet works, you got one green leg.
Oh,
No.
it works. So
What works?
you got light,
Oh.
you got power. It works.
Okay.
So now we're gonna run a cable through here. That coaxial cable.
Coaxial.
Coaxial.
Thank you.
Pardon my French. I am speaking a different language.
Now I gotta connect the miner
Yep.
to
So
the
then go
Wi-Fi.
to helium.
Helium.
Yeah. Then go to add hotspot. It's gonna go to RAK hotspot. Okay. Give me a nice view. Okay, we'll give you nice views. I understand. I'm powered up. Scan from a hotspot. There it is.
It found it. That's gonna give you one of those funky names, right?
That's right. No internet found. Let's scan for the network now. No network. I'm here, friends, to teach you today how to set up a Wi-Fi, how to make a better signal for all the friends living here to enjoy it. My name is Michael, and I will be conducting today's setup. Hope you're all doing good.
If you're auditioning for this job, Scott had an opportunity in the one area that's supposed to be his expertise, and he found himself being one of the most
Focus.
I think you already got this part, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I know why. Every time you plug it in,
Oh,
And it needs to be reset.
look.
Yep. For the Wi-Fi to pick up. Only has to be unplugged and plugged back in. And it goes into the Wi-Fi mode. There we go. So plug it in. Wait 10 seconds. Reboot. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Plug it in. And reset, right? There's the green light. See that green light? Now we can go ahead and scan it.
It's red.
It was green. Now we can go ahead and scan it. And it should pick it up. Because we were... Okay, let's do it again.
There it is.
Okay, go to RAK hotspot. Yes, we have a good view. I'm powered up. And let's scan Wi-Fi. Let me go ahead and connect. There you go. We're connected to Wi-Fi as well.
Turn it on. Yeah.
Helium hotspot. There it is. We found it. Okay. E9D7. Okay. Now it's going to ask us to connect it to the network so we can make the Wi-Fi better, and it's connected to the decentralized network. So available networks, we're going to go with this 5G, correct?
Yeah.
5G, okay. And I already have the password saved. I'm just going to paste it there, okay. And that's connecting to the network. Check it out. Something went wrong. Let's double check if it's the right. I'll take a picture of it. It is the 5GHZ network. It is. There it is. 5G. Okay. There it is. See it? 5G. Okay. So let's go ahead and try that again. Paste. The signal might be low here, but let's try it anyways. All right,
Connected?
connected.
Yay.
So
What's
it's not
it
the 5G, it's the other one. Set hotspot location. Okay, let's ask for permission. Okay. Set location. Okay. Let's go 8 manual. Let's go.
It's 8 dBi or 8 dB.
Let's go to high in meters. We can put we can be about 8 meters, right? Let's put 10 meters there over the ocean, and let's put
10 meters?
Yeah, 30
Dude,
feet.
We're about. Shoot, we're about
30 feet.
above the ocean.
Yeah, but above ground. Yeah, 30 feet. Custom antenna. What was it? Coke. So let's go custom antenna, and it's gonna be 8 dB. Okay. Next, register hotspot.
That's $10 one registry.
That's right. $10 paid for. If we ever have to move this, I will be taking that balance out of the credits in Helium to move it. But this is permanent for now. That's register and hotspot. And it says it'll take a few minutes. While that's taking, you can cut it. Yep.
But
Great.
we're going to go out and put up the antenna.
We're all connected, so now we just have to push.
Right? Cable through.
Yep. Just leave this antenna outside and just kind of push it out. So. Thank you, sir. You have clear view?
Mm-hmm.
That's it. There's nothing happening. Okay. This is can go next. First, we can go ahead run this cable just like that. Okay.
You're on the other side there.
There it is. And let me hold on to something here. Oops, mess it up.
You're just making sure it stays tight.
Yeah, exactly. It has to be. Ah, there it is. We found it.
We're gonna enter the password.
Don't show. You cannot see this.
I cannot see this. Okay. Does your phone remember the password?
No.
Oh my.
I could run it over here with the camera too.
What's the name? Oh. Where is it? Oh, there, right. Bright fossilized eel. Oh boy, that is a cool name. That is my favorite name.
Really?
Better than chartreuse sea urchin or whatever mine was. Chartreuse.
Just making sure the antenna goes straight up and down.
Do not try this at home or anywhere else.
Do not try this at home, kids.
Or anywhere.
I'm a professional Marine. Retired. There you go. Take a look.
Okay,
Brought to you by
there's
Unique Consulting.
say again?
Brought to you by Unique Consulting, Honolulu.
What's it?
Am I out of focus? Let me see.
Oh, there you are. Oh,
Huh?
yeah, antenna's up.
It's out of focus. Why is it out of focus? Oh, there we go. You see how I did that?
Yes.
So it's out of focus. My eyes were cross-eyed.
This is close as we get. Okay, going up. There it is.
If I should point the antenna that way, you know? I wonder if that makes a difference. Let's go with pipe ring.
I've seen those guys on videos, and they're trying to angle it perfect, and straight up and down doesn't really matter. That's what I've heard. Because we had that thing with that other one.
Yeah.
So if we're going from this one.
Wow, look at that up there, huh? Isn't it beautiful?
Ooh, look at that way up there.
Specimen.
It's the little gray thing is the antenna.
Look at it. It's beautiful. way up there. This is my favorite one. I'm so proud of that one.
Yeah.
It's like
That's
a perfect-
attached to a rack.
It's a perfect. We could probably do that on the other side, but that's fine.
We got two of them.
Next episode,
Yes, Mongoose?
Mongoose and Mongoose fans. Next episode, we will see how much it's mining. Any predictions? I'm thinking
That right there?
0.15.
I'm going to go with the 0.33.
Okay, because it's
I'm saying it's going to be similar to the other one. But actually, you know, they take a little while before they kind of gear into, you know, the network.
this. What we can do with this one is it's eventually we'd have to run the cable for that too somewhere. Hello, friends.
Hey,
Enjoy this view. Look at this beautiful white caps.
that antenna over there went all the way across the ocean to Maui.
Two.
And on the Big Island, they're still wondering if this volcano's going to blow up. Maybe that'll increase the...
There it is, way over there. There, and see it way over there.
Way over there. Can't see it on the horizon. In the morning sometimes. It's always
You have dinner. Mongoose Max, are you eating dinner?
Unless you want to stay for he's vegan.
Yeah,
So he'll explode if he sees people eating meat.
I wouldn't go that far.
He'll implode.
I will have to politely decline your invitation for
I
dinner.
don't mean explode like emotionally. I mean explode like in...
I will politely decline your invitation for dinner, but you can eat all you want.
Okay.
Imagine subconscious.
Aloha.
Aloha.
That's funny. This guy Ghostbusters.
Watch out, Ghostbusters.